After the age of 60, many people begin to notice something unsettling happening in their own bodies, something they can't quite explain, yet they feel it every day. You may walk regularly, you may eat healthy foods, you may even be doing everything your doctor told you to do, but your legs still feel weaker. You get tired faster than before. Standing up from a chair takes more effort. Your balance doesn't feel as steady as it once did. And sometimes, despite all your effort to stay active, the strength in your muscles seems to fade quietly in the background. It's confusing, it's frustrating, and for many seniors, it's frightening. But here is the truth: it is not your fault. You're not doing anything wrong. What you're experiencing is something that happens in every human body with age, especially after 60. It is called anabolic resistance, the natural decline in how well your muscles respond to movement. In simple terms, the exercises that used to keep you strong, like walking, no longer send enough signal to your brain and muscle fibers to actually build or maintain strength. That means even if you walk every day, you can still lose 1 to 2% of your muscle each year. And the older we get, the faster that loss becomes if we don't counter it. But here's the good news: you absolutely can stop this decline. You can reverse it. And you can rebuild your strength at home, in just minutes a day, without needing a gym, weights, or complicated routines. You only need the right kinds of movements that wake the muscles up, trigger the nervous system, and rebuild the strength that walking alone can't restore. Today, you're going to learn 3 powerful Japanese-inspired exercises that do exactly that. They're simple, safe, and specifically designed for people over 60. These movements strengthen your legs, improve your balance, restore your confidence, and help you stay independent for many years to come. And you can start them today, right where you are. The first exercise is called the invisible chair, an adaptation of the Japanese kagami squat tradition. It's a movement that looks incredibly simple, but it sends a very strong message to your lower body: wake up. You are needed. Stay strong. As we age, the muscles that help us stand, walk, climb stairs, and stay balanced, especially the quadriceps and glutes, lose strength faster than any other group. The invisible chair directly targets these muscles in a safe, controlled way. You begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Then you slowly slide your hips back, as if you're about to sit on a chair behind you. But here's the important part: you stop 1 or 2 inches before you would fully sit. Hold that position for 5 seconds, then push yourself back up to standing. This hold, those few seconds of stillness, that is where the magic happens. Your muscles activate deeply. Your nervous system fires. Your body relearns how to support itself. And after just a few repetitions, 5 to be exact, you'll start to feel your strength returning. You don't need to go low. You don't need to push through pain. You just need to send the signal that your muscles still matter. And every time you practice this, you teach your body that you are not done moving, not done living, not done being independent. The second exercise is the counter push-up, inspired by the controlled upper body strengthening techniques used in Japanese shinkata. Most people don't realize how important upper body strength is as we get older. When you trip, your arms help you catch yourself. When you push yourself up from a chair, your chest and triceps support you. When you lose balance, your upper body stabilizes you before your legs even react. Weak arms mean a higher risk of falls. Weak shoulders mean struggling with simple daily tasks. Weak chest muscles mean less independence. The counter push-up fixes all of this without putting pressure on your wrists or shoulders. Stand in front of your kitchen counter or any sturdy surface. Place your hands on the edge, and walk your feet back until your body forms a gentle diagonal line. Lower yourself slowly, then press back up with control. There's no rush. There's no pressure. The goal is to move smoothly, feel your muscles working, and rebuild the strength your body has slowly been losing. Even 8 to 10 repetitions can make a noticeable difference within weeks. And as your upper body grows stronger, so does your ability to remain independent, to move confidently, to protect yourself from falls, and to perform daily tasks without hesitation or fatigue. The third exercise is the step-back lunge using chair support. This movement comes from the Japanese principle of Ashiro, training the body to move backward with awareness and control. Moving backward is something we rarely practice, but it's one of the most valuable skills for preventing falls. Most accidents happen when people lose balance backward and the body doesn't know how to respond. This simple step-back lunge trains your legs, your hips, your balance, and your proprioception, your body's built-in guidance system that tells you where you are in space. To do it, stand beside a chair or countertop for support. Gently step 1 foot backward. Lower your back knee just a little or even just bend slightly if that's all you can do. Then return to standing. The goal is not to go deep, the goal is to move with intention and control. 6 repetitions per leg, twice through, is enough to retrain your balance system, strengthen your legs, and dramatically reduce the risk of falling. And the most important part of this exercise is the message it carries. Even when you step backward, you are still in control. Now, before you begin any of these movements, remember this: everyone's body is different. If you've recently had surgery, joint replacement, severe knee or hip pain, dizziness, or balance problems, make sure to get guidance from a doctor or therapist. Safety always comes first. But for most healthy adults over 60, these exercises are not just safe, they are transformative. Think of your body like a brilliant machine. For decades, it has carried you through life, through good days and hard days, through memories and milestones. It has protected you, supported you, and helped you experience everything you love. But like any machine, it needs the right signals to keep functioning well. Walking is wonderful for your heart and your mind, but after 60, it is not enough to keep your strength. You need movements that tell your muscles to wake up. You need exercises that push the body just slightly beyond its comfort zone, where growth happens. The invisible chair gives you lower body strength. The counter push-up gives you upper body support. The step-back lunge gives you balance and stability. And together, these 3 movements form a complete system that protects your independence. When you practice them consistently, something incredible begins to happen. Suddenly, standing up from a chair becomes easier. Carrying groceries becomes lighter. Your legs feel more stable when walking. Your body reacts faster when you lose balance. You feel sure of yourself, more capable, more alive. And perhaps the most important change of all, you regain confidence. Confidence that you are still strong. Confidence that you can still rely on your body. Confidence that aging does not mean surrendering your independence. Many seniors describe these exercises not just as physical movements, but as a form of self-respect. Every repetition is a choice. A choice to keep moving. A choice to stay strong. A choice to invest in your future. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need long workouts. You just need a few minutes a day and the belief that you still deserve to feel strong. And let me tell you something important, you do. You deserve to move without fear. You deserve to have energy. You deserve to keep your independence. You deserve to feel proud of what your body can still do. Aging is not a decline, it is an evolution. Your body is not failing you, it's simply asking for a different kind of care. And when you give it the right movements, even gentle ones, it responds beautifully. Remember, it's never too late to get stronger. Studies show that even people in their 70s and 80s can build new muscle, improve balance, and regain abilities they thought they had lost forever. Your muscles are waiting for you. Your strength is waiting for you. Your confidence is waiting for you. And it all begins with a single moment right now. So take a deep breath. Stand tall. And begin. Start with the invisible chair. Feel your legs activate. Feel your balance returning. Move on to the counter push-up. Feel your upper body supporting you again. Finish with the step-back lunge. Feel your control, your awareness, your stability sharpening. These movements may seem simple, but they are powerful. They are your path to a stronger, safer, more independent life. And every day you practice them, you are rewriting the story of your aging, shifting from decline to growth, from weakness to strength, from fear to confidence. So don't wait. Your body is ready. Your strength is ready. And your future self will thank you for every single repetition you begin today.